Got to accept what you can't control. It's very possible that, today's uh, got a different kind of breeze in a different direction, that a golf cart drove by right in the middle of your backswing, that some bird chirped loudly, or your playing partner coughed. All these kinds of things are happening during the course of a typical round. And here's the thing, you can't control it. So you got to accept it. And if you want to lower your scores, it's imperative that you keep that thought in your mind at all times. You can't control what's going on around you. The only thing you can control is how you're thinking and how you're swinging that golf club. And please don't forget, hit subscribe. It's really important. It's how we grow the channel. It's how I get you free content, and it's how we improve our scores and enjoyment for the game. Thanks.